Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems. Our manufacturing traceability solution provides complete visibility and control over raw materials, production processes, work in progress, and finished products using RFID and barcode technology. Many manufacturers struggle with manual tracking, limited product visibility, delayed quality investigations, and complex recall processes. Without complete traceability, identifying affected materials, production batches, and finished products becomes slow and inefficient. Brilliant designs the traceability solution based on your manufacturing process, production workflow, quality requirements, and enterprise systems. Each raw material, component, pallet, or batch is assigned a unique RFID tag or barcode during receiving. As materials move from the warehouse to production, every transaction is automatically captured. During manufacturing, components, operators, machines, and process checkpoints are continuously recorded. Every production stage updates a digital product genealogy, creating a complete history from raw material to finished product. The solution integrates seamlessly with MES, ERP, industrial IoT, and quality systems, providing real-time visibility into material flow, production status, batch tracking, and product traceability across the factory. With Brilliant Manufacturing Traceability Solutions, organizations improve product quality, accelerate quality investigations, simplify recall management, ensure regulatory compliance, and gain complete production visibility. The result is greater operational efficiency, enhanced customer confidence, improved product traceability, and measurable return on investment. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.